Let's talk through some fundamental concepts of the new content creation process. We'll cover who should be involved, key stages, content calendar basics, and how AI can help. You can't bake a cake without sugar, flour, and eggs, and you can't execute a supercharged content strategy unless you have the right team in place. Establish each team member's contributions and name your key stakeholders for each piece of content before you kick it off. The typical team might include a copywriter, an SEO specialist, a digital marketer, a designer, and a UX designer or developer. SEOs, copywriters, and digital marketers are all really important to incorporate into any content creation process. It ensures you're factoring in keyword research and competitive analysis, plus looking at all of those SEO elements as you're brainstorming your content topics and formats. Your digital marketer will also help you establish those KPIs and what specific success metrics mean for a particular piece. Developers and designers may play a smaller role in publishing a blog post, but a much larger role in a net new web page or a quiz. Bring them into any design-intensive project at the outset. Creating great content starts with generating ideas for what you want your content to be about. You can find new topics to target through keyword research, customer feedback, putting yourself in your audience's shoes, brainstorming with larger groups in your organization, or investigating your competitors' strategies. From there, you can then start planning your content, which boils down to deciding what form you want your content to take. Is it a blog post, a video, an ebook, and the scale of your content project, or how many content components you'll need to create to properly address your selected topic. If you've set up steps 1 and 2 effectively, you should have everything you need to then create your content. Keep in mind that content creation is a living, breathing process. If you notice something is wrong with the angle you decided to take or the format you decided on, don't be afraid to take a step back or loop in other team members to clarify outstanding questions. Content creation should be as efficient as possible, but in the end, quality is more important than speed. Once content is published, it can be found online through both search results and direct visitors to your website. But to drive significant traffic, you'll want to think of other ways you can further promote your content. Social media, emails, and webinars are a few ways to boost your content's visibility in the short term. And lastly, you'll want to monitor the performance of your content. Is it ranking well? Is it driving traffic? Knowing whether your content was successful in reaching your marketing goals can provide insight into what content strategies work well and where you have the opportunities to improve. You've likely heard of content calendars, but when is it time to create one? A content calendar is a strategic tool used to plan, schedule, and organize the creation and publication of content across various platforms. It helps ensure consistent and coordinated content delivery, enhancing organization, efficiency, and audience engagement. A content calendar should be created before beginning any content production and marketing effort. Ideally, it should be established during the planning phase of your content strategy, which could be at the start of a new year or quarter to plan for the upcoming period, before launching a new campaign to ensure all content aligns with the campaign goals and timeline, when planning product launches or events to synchronize content with important dates and milestones, or when reassessing your content strategy. If you're making changes to your strategy, it's a good time to create or update the content calendar. Creating it early helps in organizing tasks, setting clear deadlines, and ensuring a consistent and strategic approach to content creation and distribution. Lastly, let's talk about AI and how it can be a great tool to accelerate your new content creation process. You can use it to optimize your workflow by streamlining tasks such as keyword research, content outlining, promotion, and writing. The benefits of leveraging AI include saving time, uncovering more new topics, improving the quality of your content, and enhancing search engine rankings. Some examples of tools we love using include chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude, proofreading tools like Grammarly, content creation tools like Conductor's Content Guidance and Writing Assistant, and social media management tools like Sprout Social. Just keep in mind that AI does have its limitations. There will always be potential for inaccuracies and a need for human review. Always make sure you're prioritizing helpful content over keyword stuffing to ensure good rankings and deliver value to your audience.